Welcome to this beautiful Richard Street apartment. 1 bedroom plus studio. Large kitchen. Beautiful appliances. Oversized microwave. Gas cooktop. Overlooking a beautiful living area. This apartment located in the Beach Crescent district. Sweeping views from your balcony. Drove to the waterways and overlooking Granville Island. Chandelier and market area. Planned for the new Vancouver House district. Coming back into the lounge, you find that there's a fully glass enclosed study area, perfect for today's remote working environment. It also has an outlook over the balcony. Through to your bath. Full tub. And in the bedroom, we're on level 8 here, downtown, without being in the noisiest part, right on Richards Avenue. Walk-in robes, through again to this area, washer and dryer. Access to theatre, rec centre, Olympic-sized pool, and a modern fitness centre. Inquire now, rent perks, Richard Street, 1 bedroom and study.